Hey everyone, here I have a mint condition 2017 Mazda Miata Grand Touring. This vehicle is finished in a very nice, it's like a frosty color, that's what I would call it. This vehicle is in perfect shape, no dents or dinks on the whole exterior of the vehicle. Tires, Bridgestone, they're in great shape. One thing that's nice about these Miatas back here, you're actually, your convertible top does not intrude into the trunk. Up front, you will notice you do have push button start and your keyless entry right here. On the inside, you have some very nice black leather seats with red stitching. 4,800 miles on this Miata. This thing is basically brand new. You have your Bluetooth, your audio controls, your cruise. Over here you have stuff like your FM, AM. You do have your Bluetooth and auxiliary as well as USB. You also have navigation in this Miata. Down here you have your automatic climate control as well as your heated seats. And up here you even get stuff like your auto dimming mirror. The top is very easy to drop. All you do is just press this and everything just clicks back right just like that. Come check out this Miata at Shockley Honda, 301-694-5400. It is in great shape.